Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning my dear students. Hi, I am your pastor, lecturer in English, Sonagaji Boldo Women's College. Dear students, I think all my students are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. After a long time, I come back for my dear students. After Idul Fitr, I am beginning my online class. I think all my students spend Idul Fitr very well mood, no doubt that. And after this Idul Fitr, they will start their exam in full swing, no doubt that. Dear students, our exam is not yet done. Government has already declared that they will take exam. Those students of 2021, particularly HSC, there is no chance to pass like previous year. Government has already declared that they will open their school and colleges as soon as possible and took exam 2021. Dear students, you know that if we want to make a good result at the time, we must read more and more. But if we want to make a good result at the time, we need a good suggestion. Without good suggestion, it is impossible to make a good resolution, good the result. So we need a good suggestion to make a good result. Today I shall discuss some important suggestions about English first and second paper, because our exam is moving at door, and so it's our duty to make. So it's our duty because school and colleges closed and online classes in the beginning. After English Fitr, I am studying my online class, and that's why those who are the students and watch this the recorded video will get a benefit because our exam is not yet done, and that's why we need a good suggestion. With this good suggestion, if we maintain and follow, we will make a good result in our next exam, no doubt that. So dear students, let's start our online class, and today this class I will give a good suggestion about the papers like that, first paper and second paper. First I am giving first paper suggestion, and then I am giving the second paper. Dear student, because of the pandemic situation, government has emphasized or shorten our English first and second paper, and from that few point I will give the suggestion. And this suggestion is very important. If you maintain and follow this suggestion, I believe strongly no doubt that you will do better in the final exam. So let's start our suggestion class, dear students. Today the class name is HSC Examination 2021 Suggestion English First Paper. First I am giving the first paper's pages in suggestion. When you watch this video, dear student, you should write down what I write down in the my whiteboard. Because if you write down in your kata, then you will see at any time if you need. Unit 1. Unit 1's name people or institutions making history. In this unit, we must read two lessons 1 and 2. Unit 1, people or institutions making history. In the unit, we must read these two lessons 1 and 2. Unit 2. The Unit 2 names. Unit 2 name is Greatest Scientific Achievements. Greatest Scientific Achievements. Lesson 3 and 4. Greatest Scientific Achievements. Lesson 3 and 4. Unit 4, Traffic Education. Unit 4, Traffic Education. Unit 4, Traffic Education. We must this unit lesson 1 and 2. Unit 5, Food Adulteration. Unit 5, Food Adulteration. We must read lesson 1 and 2. Unit 7, Human Relationships. Unit 7, Human Relationships. Lesson 1. We read lesson 1. And then unit 12, the name of the unit is Environment and Nature. We must read this lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Dear students, there are unit 1, unit 2, unit 4, unit 5, unit 7 and unit 12. From this unit, we must sustain lessons. Unit 1, listen read 1 and 2. Unit 2, we should read lesson 3 and 4, and unit 4 we should read lesson 1 and 2, and unit 5 we should read lesson 1 and 2. Unit 7 we should read lesson 1, and unit 12 Environment and Nature we should read lesson from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am giving suggestion about first papers, email and paragraphs. Dear student, I am giving another topic English first paper. In my whiteboard, left side is paragraph and my whiteboard. Right side is email or informal letter. I'm discussing about paragraphs and email, which is included in our English first part topic. So let's start. We know what paragraph important and whose emails are most important in our exam. At first, I'm giving the deal about paragraphs. Paragraphs. This paragraph is very important. No doubt that if we read of this paragraphs, we'll get in our final exam. No doubt that, inshallah. Number one, first paragraph name is 7 March speech. This is delivered by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, no doubt that, the father of the nation Bangladesh. The 7 March speech, Digital Bangladesh, which is our vision, a visionary leader, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, no doubt that. His vision, and already we have got benefit from this type of Digital Bangladesh. 7 March speech, and the second is Digital Bangladesh, and third one is climate change, which is very important. Climate change, folk music, diaspora, Facebook, Sundarbans, equity and manner, and human rights. The students, I'm read again and again. 7 March speech, Digital Bangladesh, climate change, folk music, diaspora, Facebook, Sundarbans, equity and manner, human rights. Now I'm giving the email or informal letters, which is included in our fast paper. No doubt that. Dear students, I'm reading the email or informal letter. Importance of reading a newspaper. Importance of reading newspaper, because we know that newspaper is the source of knowledge. All kinds of news we got from such a newspaper. If we read everyday newspaper, we'll get benefit, no doubt. And we know the present world. The world is the present situation of the world. What kind of problems we face in this world, and that's why we must read newspaper every day. Then publish ADC routine. If we want to give exam at that time, we need a routine. Before exam, the government has, or education minister has published routine, and which is very important. Publish ADC routine, and third one, coming on ensuing HS examination. Fourth one, progress of studies. 5, the congratulations of brilliant result. 6 one is a birthday gift, nice present of your birthday. Adverse effect of using mobile phone, Facebook and internet, which is very important, because all the students, those who are students and this pandemic situation, each and everybody is surrounded by that house or building, and that's why no one move from one and from hand here and there, and that's why everybody, particularly parents, guardians, students, use mobile phone, internet, the video calling, chatting, etc., etc. They spend their time with this internet. So this paragraph is very important. Adverse effect of using mobile phone, Facebook and internet. And third one, condolence of your father and mother death. That means someone has delight relationships, and that's why which is very important. And what students, those who wants to read in abroad other countries of the world, such type of English is very important, no doubt that. Yes, student. Now I've already finished first paper suggestions, which is given, and now I'm prepared to give second paper suggestion, which is very important, because both the papers carry 100 marks, no doubt that. I'm giving the second paper suggestion. First, I'm giving the second paper suggestions application, which is very important. Application, adverse situation of COVID-19. Second one is facilities of DVD club, language club, MMC, that means multimedia classroom, which is very important. MMC in short form and long form, that means such a multimedia classroom, because Bangladesh is now a digital country, and that's why we must need MMC class, that means multimedia classroom in each and every classroom, which is very helpful to deal with the teachers and to know the students very well. emergency management classroom, and third was a common room, sound system classroom. If the class size is big, at that time we need the room is furnished with a sound system, and there is a speaker. Teacher can give their voice with the speaker, and each and everybody students, first bench to last bench, to know what the teacher has delivered. Third one is the change of your elective subjects, and fourth one is relief goods for COVID-19 affected people, which is very important. Sit in the college hostel, set up a canteen and TC. Set up a canteen and TC. Dear students, change one of your elective subjects and relief goods for COVID-19 affected people. Sit in the college hostel, set up a canteen, TC. There are two types of TC. Transfer of certificate. That means TC means transfer certificate. There are two types of TC in our college level. Admission TC. And another the TC is transfer. That means left this you have did this college and left to go another college. Dear student, now I am giving the other topic of English paper, which name is paragraphs. Paragraph is very important. That means short type of with the read one paragraph. The first paragraph name is COVID-19, which is very important because COVID-19 situation, the COVID-19 grabs all the world, no doubt that, and that's this paragraph is very important. COVID-19 and then co-education. Third, Golden Jubilee of 2021 celebrated by Bangladesh. Bangladesh has already celebrated Golden Jubilee. That means which is very important. Mujib 100 or Mujib Borsha from 1922 to 2021, centenary of the father of Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur, father of the nation of Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, no doubt that. Mujib 100 or Mujib Borsha, Bangladesh Satellite 1, which is very important. Bangladesh is one of the greatest country in the world, no doubt that. Already they set up a satellite channel. And that's why we are proud such type of establishment by the government, our no doubt that. Ideal student, International Mother Language Day, Facebook, mobile phone, internet. It is common. Dear student, again I am reading this such paragraphs. COVID-19 co-education, Golden Jubilee for 2021 celebrated Bangladesh, Mujib 100 or Mujib Borsha. Bangladesh Satellite 1, ideal student, International Mother Language Day, and Facebook, mobile phone, internet. So dear students, now the last topic of English science paper, which is compare and contrasting paragraph. That means compare and contrast which one is better, this or that, before or after such a paragraph. One paragraph short essay or composition. Then this topic is new. Within short syllabus, government has included compare and contrasting paragraph. Now I give you a suggestion about this topic. First one is rural life and city life. That is, which one is better? Is there better village life or the city life? Give your opinion. Which one is better? Rural life and city life. And second one is world economic situations before and after COVID-19, which is very important. This paragraph is very important for our next exam 2021. World economic situation before and after COVID-19, because each and everything in the world, no doubt, that is connected with money or economic. So all the world is affected by this COVID-19 situation. That's why our economic level or situation is not so good, and that's why the before and after situation of economic situation of the world after this COVID-19, which is very important. Third is drug addiction, and football is traffic jam. Five road accident, and six deforestation. Plus both global warming. And the last one is life before and after this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Life before and after this pandemic situation of COVID-19, because all that is totally surroundings with the four walls because this pandemic situations, because we don't move here and there, and that's why before and after life, which one is better? Before that pandemic situation, after that pandemic situation. So this paragraph is also most important in our next exam. So dear students, today I will wrap up my class, online class. Next time I will present another new topic for my dear students. So, dear students, if you don't understand anything, then call me. My phone number is 0782 262621. I'm repeating. My cell number is or phone number is 01782 262621. Dear student, I have a YouTube channel. If you browse or search my channel, then you will get video. If you need, so search my channel and subscribe my channel. My channel name is English Tutor. If you search the first search slash my phone number, then you will get my YouTube channel. So, dear students, today I have to finish my lecture here. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.